guys, welcome back. Alright, so in today's video we are going to talk about my personal favorite, okay, these are my favorite summertime foundations, okay. Now, you guys can choose any foundation you want. I'm just going to share mine and what I like the most. And if you guys are new here, I have oily skin. Now, there's different combinations of skin. My skin type is very oily and basically throughout the entire year. And I'm just going to show you guys my favorite foundations that I like to use throughout the year and especially during the summertime. So the first foundation that I want to share with you guys is reasonable. This one here is probably the cheapest foundation I can show y'all right now, okay? And the ones I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you 4. So my first foundation here is the Morphe Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation. It's medium to full coverage. It's kind of dirty, but it does come with a pump. And I have the shade Rich 26. So I really do like this foundation. This foundation stays, even though it says it's like a soft, I'm just going to put a soft matte foundation. I really do like how it sits on the skin. It stays. And I know it looks light right now, you guys, but it actually is very, very pretty. Right there, it's very, very nice, especially like during the spring and winter. Oh, you guys, this shade works perfect on me. Now, I will say with the wear on this foundation, like I can get like a good 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours out of this foundation without, you know, like blotting or touching up. Especially like blotting. I don't really touch up. I normally just blot. So I really do like that about this foundation. My next foundation here is the Too Faced Born This Way Matte 24-Hour foundation here. I really do like how this looks on my skin. It does have a pump as well. This one is more like a golden undertone, very pretty. It works perfect for me, you know, like during the spring and winter. Like I can make this work during the summertime too. You know how some people have multiple different shades of the same product that they really do like to fit throughout the year? I don't. I keep one and I adjust it through bronzer and contour and stuff like that. But as you guys can see, it is matte right now. It dries pretty fast and it stays. Like I can get like a cool 8 hours, a full work day out of this foundation. It is so pretty. And there's like a slight sheen to it. Very, very slight, but it is so nice, so pretty. Next, I have the Makiage After Party Next Gen Full Coverage Foundation. This also has a pump as well. Now, I know a lot of you are probably heard of this foundation. You guys are used to their Woke Up Like This foundation. This one's pretty good too. But my favorite summertime one is this one here, and this is their After Party one. This is more like a matte foundation. It looks good, y'all. I can get away with 5 to really a really good 5 hours out of this before I need to like blot and stuff to get, you know, all the extra oils and stuff off my face. Now I have the shade, what shade is this? I have the shade 200. Has it right here on the cap. Now the only thing with this foundation is that you have to do like a little survey online and you purchase this foundation online unless you like live in New York. I know there's a store in New York that actually has this foundation in store. I don't know anywhere else, but for all of us other people around the US, you're going to have to purchase this online and do your like little a self-survey for them to pick your perfect shade. Now, I'm going to be honest. It takes, unless you're lucky, it takes a couple tries to get the right color for yourself, okay? Now, they also have this thing where you can do like a payment plan where every 3 to 6 months or whatever, how long you want it, they will automatically send you another tube, as long as you have, you know, your credit card information on file and you want to do that. But other than that, it's a pretty good foundation. I'm going to put this on this side of my hand. This one is a lot closer to my skin tone, especially during the summertime. It's more of a richer color. I put too much, way too much. And I'm kind of trying to blend it out for you guys so you guys can see how well it dries down, how well it blends out. And this has more of like a red undertone to it, as you can see, like right there, because it's not as much. There's a lot here, but not as much here. It is starting to get mattified, starting to matte down. So last but not least, but this foundation is a lot of people's favorite foundation, okay? Out of all these foundations, I think this one is my most expensive one, you guys. I really don't remember, but at the same time, I think it's this one. I think this one here is my most expensive foundation that I'm sharing with you guys today. And this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. Okay, that's what it's called, okay? Y'all, it does not lie. I can get like 10, 12 hours. If I push it more, I can get probably 14, okay? This is like some good stuff, especially if you prep your face well enough with any of these foundations. If you do your face prep really well, any of these foundations can last longer than the amount of time that I have mentioned to you guys. So here is what the bottle looks like, and I do not have a pump for this one. This one is just you gotta pour it out. That is the foundation right there. I have the shade 6W1, which is Sandalwood. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger. Well, take a little bit here on my finger. And I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Like, this is a pretty gorgeous shade. Very, very pretty, you guys. And when I use this, I do not use a lot of it. But it's so pretty. As you can see, it is drying down. It blends out. Like, I actually like using this with a sponge to blend out. But it gives that soft, natural skin look to it, and it's just so pretty. So pretty. Alright, so that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, hey, go ahead and consider subscribing. And if you want, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And if you would like to, leave any suggestions, let me know, you guys. I am trying to use up what's in my makeup collection, and I still have a drawer over here full of brand new makeup products I have yet to touch, so I can't wait to play with that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to embrace your beauty, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.